The prettiness of the beauty queen. I see it now, darling, I see it. Yes, the prettiness of the beauty queen. It is a prettiness that can't be defeated, my buddy, Donna. Yes, my girl, I see that now, darling, I see that, Donna. The prettiness of the beauty queen is like the cocoon and the butterfly, Donna. Yes, my darling, it is like the cocoon and the butterfly, my darling. Yes, Marco, it is, Donna. Well, my girl, I'm off now, darling. I just said my beauty is like the cocoon and the butterfly, and you're off now, darling. Yes, darling, no offense, darling, but you bore me endlessly, darling. Okay, Marco. Come on, girl, you bore me like crazy. Come on, Marco. Come on. Does this bore you, Marco? Yes, it does, girl. Get out here, then, Over there, Come on, Marco.